Hey viewers, welcome back and thank you for being with us so far. It means a lot. As part of the IKEA video series, we have covered IKEA Bengaluru. If you have not already watched it, we'll drop the link in the description box. As promised, we're going to take you through all the products that we have bought in this iteration in order to set up the home office or a study room. The study room setup is going to be a do-it-yourself video. You just need a screwdriver, leveler, power drill, and that is it. You're good to go. Let's start the work.
Motu lost her seat at the table.
We're going to start the assembly of study room now. All the packages have arrived. Let's load some calories before burning them. Utis Pilaire is a gaming desk offered by IKEA. It's available in two colors. We opted for the black one, which goes well with our design, and the other one is in white. It's priced at 11,990 rupees. Few value added things are that it is somewhat adjustable, which I would say it's a good thing. You can adjust the height. It could be between 66 centimeter to 78 centimeter. Also, you can position the table top in two different ways. As usual, IKEA product comes with the DIY manual, which helps you to assemble the product very easily. Although assembling this desk is also fairly easy when compared to other IKEA products. But you need two people for the tabletop integration as it's a little big and heavy. So two downsides of the table are that there is no motorized height adjustment, but again at this price you really wouldn't find one with such option as well. Second is that the tabletop finish is smudge magnet, but all in all we are a very happy customer. It's a sturdy and very good looking desk. Best part of the table is that it comes with a cable management out of the box. Also, it's easily accessible and there is a metal mesh part of the table which adds to the value quotient. We chose a Besta wall shelf over the glass door for a storage cum display unit. Since we have wide enough space for table, we decided to go with 5 units, 3 as display with glass and 2 with wooden panels for storage. So they would level the length of the table. Also, these units serve as light placeholders. In Besta, the assembly, I would say, the most time taking task is mounting rails on the correct level. After that, all we need is to mount and fasten the screws. Note, if you get first rail correct, all will fall into place and it's fairly simple. For lighting solutions, we used Murphy button lights and LED strip lights that we bought not an IKEA, from a store. For placement of LED strip, we are using aluminium profile. By the way, the lighting setup work is still in progress. We'll post updated videos in future. For the rugs, actually for our room size, there was no rug available, no single rug available that would cover the whole room. So we went with Stoney's rug by IKEA. So we chose two of it, which apparently fits well with the room dimensions. The neutral color grey mostly fits well with all color palettes. IKEA's Malm is a smooth running clear chest of drawers. It fits well with all kinds of setup. We went with the white one and it gave us a lot of storage.
This is a heavy duty monitor arm. You can see this. It has a very industrial backing. Ooh, nice. I think this is as rugged as it gets. Visa mount. And the stand. This is strong. And the arm. The base. And there you go. The whole setup. This itself is very heavy. Nice packaging. It supports, see, it supports 17 inches to 35 inches screen size. 15 kg it can support.
Our study room is designed for two workstation setup. We both have a side for us. Since we own a 34-inch curved monitor, we went with the Gin Office monitor arm. So far, it served really well, no complaints whatsoever. A home office is incomplete without a bookcase. And if you plan to shop from IKEA, then you are in luck, as they are known for their Billy bookcases. Assembly is fairly easy. Also, there are quite a few options that you can choose from. Initially, we actually thought of going with the corner design, as you can see on your screen, but we did not have enough space to accommodate one here nicely. So a tip, the corner unit requires a lot of space to set up. Just when you look at it, the measurements have to be very accurate before you plan to buy it. It took us more than a couple of days to complete the entire installation. This was the study room from where we started. Let's take a peek in the new revamped study room. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. We would also love to see how you all set up your IKEA products in your home. So do share the pictures. Hope you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up and share it across.